So this is how you can make a highlight on Instagram without needing to post a story. So make sure you're in the Instagram app, and once you're here, go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. It may take a while to load, but just wait for it and you'll be there. And so now that we're here, as you can see, I have highlights under my profile. I have hello, highlight, and hello. Apparently, I have two hellos as my highlight, but the names doesn't really matter. Make sure you tap on the plus button that says new, and then choose a story that you want to add to your new highlight. So I'm just gonna tap on this one. I don't really know why they're not loading, but they're all random, so I'm just gonna put that. And now we can name our own highlight. I'm gonna put dog and then tap on add. It should add it in a bit, and there we are. As you can see, there's a new addition to our highlights, which is now called dog. I'm gonna go on ahead and open it up to show you. And here we are. As you can see, I'm in my own highlight, and I can see what kind of stories that are in my highlight without needing to post a new one just to make a new highlight. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.